welcome back to another video. So, now I'm going to show you my new display of my paper airplanes. This is the first one that I have. This is the other one.
Come show it to the camera. You gotta get closer and show it to the camera. And show them what it looks like and how it's made.
And this is my other one.
Mateo,
huh?
Come show the airplane on camera.
Huh?
So bring it up to the camera.
So
show them the details.
This is a paper airplane that I created.
Okay.
And these, I made the wings like this. And when it flies smoothly. This is my other paper airplane, which is a flying wing.
Okay.
It has the flaps. Each one of them goes down and upwards with upwards wingtips. This is my A dart. These things are designed like this, so the wind does not flatten down the wings, and so it can make it go faster.
Ooh.
And this is my other paper airplane, which could fly better if you fly upside down. It has wings that are shaped in the diamond form. It has high up tail wings. And it has this adamant right here. Bye. I'll see you in another video.
Okay.